Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Monticello Park in Mandeville, Manchester. Here you will find this spectacular property that offers breathtaking views and ample space on a sprawling 0.4-acre lot. With 10 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms, this home is perfectly suited for a large family or an investor seeking rental income opportunities. The layout allows for flexibility, with the possibility of having at least 3 self-contained units, ideal for generating additional revenue. Enjoy the lush lawn and fruit-filled yard, providing a serene outdoor oasis. The ground level features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living room, dining room, kitchen, laundry area, and 2 patios. The second level offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, family room, dining room, kitchen, laundry area, a huge wraparound patio, and a double-car garage. The upper level boasts 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a huge balcony. Amenities include a gazebo, swimming pool, pump room, concrete tank on the ground, as well as on roof with electric pump. This house was also reduced by Jamaican 10 million or US $64,900. So, in other words, the motivated seller is ready to make a deal. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 89 million or US $578.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.